So this piece, I want to make sure that we get an idea, a sense of how to remove that need, if you will, to actually have every classroom in the elementary classes to have the kidney shape or group table. And a lot of the times that's a pretty large table that may only be used 20% of the time in a classroom. And this is part of the work that we were doing. How do we actually take that concept and convert it into other tools that we're using in the space, so multifunctional tools. So effectively, you see 3 thumbprints. There is a concave and 2 convex, and simply you're seeing them in a radial form. And frankly, I could actually simulate the kidney-shaped table here, but there's a better solution. If we take and regroup or reposition this, we can actually add more students to that equation and actually have shorter distances. So now if I'm the teacher, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students, and they are all within 18 inches of where I'm sitting, which is actually closer. If you take a look at the kidney-shaped tables or the horseshoe tables, the proxemics between the teacher and the student actually shrinks exponentially.